Hi students, this is your Raju sir. Today we shall discuss about your topic DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing. So it is very important topic. So we must be learning about this topic. It is very easiest topic. So that's why we can listen my lesson. So we are must be maintain. We are must be maintain concentration. So my dear students, you know that here the DNA sequencing. So what do you know the DNA sequencing? First of all, you can understand. Define the DNA sequence. Define. Define. So DNA sequencing का definition that I will discuss you. DNA sequencing is the process. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing is the process. DNA sequencing is the process of determining the exact sequencing of nucleotides. Sequencing of nucleotides. They within a DNA nuclear DNA molecule. So keep it in your mind. So DNA sequencing is the process of determining exact, keep it in your mind, exact sequencing of nucleotides within a DNA molecule. So that phenomenon is also known as DNA sequencing. So that means, so we are observing this means. So that means by the sequencing of stretch of DNA, that means by the sequencing of stretches of DNA. Stretch of DNA, keep it in your mind, by the sequencing of the stretch of DNA molecule. So by the sequencing of the stretch of the DNA molecule, we are observing. So that means it will be possible to know the order in which the four nucleotide nitrogen bases such as adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. So those are the nitrogen base pairs. So here the nitrogen base pairs is occurring. So those are the nitrogen base pairs is occurring nucleic acid molecule. Nucleic acid molecule. Nucleic acid molecule, keep it in your mind. So here the DNA sequencing, first of all my dear students, we are observing the DNA sequencing. So here the DNA sequencing definition. The DNA sequencing is the process of the determining exact sequencing of the nucleotides within the DNA molecule. So that phenomenon is also known as the DNA sequencing. And as well as here we are observing by the sequencing of the structure of the DNA molecule. That means by the sequencing is the structure of the DNA molecule. So here the structure of the DNA molecules is having the nitrogen base pairs, 4 nitrogen base pairs. So those are the nitrogen base pairs occurs into the nucleic acid molecule. Keep it in your mind. So that one आप लोग understanding करिए. So next one क्या करना है? The necessity of the DNA sequencing was first made by F.C. Crick. So first made by the F.C. Crick. Keep it in your mind. The necessity of the DNA sequencing was first made by the F.C. Crick. F.C. Crick theory that the sequencing nucleotides with the DNA molecule. So directly or inflatant of the DNA molecule आप लोगों को understanding करना चाहिए. So they are the F.C. Crick is first identified to the DNA sequencing. So by the using of the amino acids is also. So that's why क्या करना आप लोगों को वो identify करना चाहिए DNA molecule के लिए DNA sequencing के लिए. And the next one now, my dear students, we are observing to this sequencing DNA sequencing, history of the DNA sequencing. So definition का बाद sequencing find out the sequencing कौन identify किया है, F.C. Crick identify किया. So next one क्या करना है, history of the sequencing. History of DNA sequencing. History of DNA sequencing. So here the history of the DNA sequencing, my dear students. Watson and Crick discovered the DNA sequencing in 1952. So DNA कब discover किया 1952 में discover किया. So 1952 में क्या करना DNA discover किया. So DNA discover करना के बाद क्या करना है, created the theoretical framework for this understanding to the replication and transcription. So यहाँ पर क्या करना है, DNA sequencing के लिए क्या करना है, replication and transcription. तो DNA अंडरस्टैंडिंग करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, रेप्लिकेशन चाहिए और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन चाहिए. तो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए, रेप्लिकेशन के लिए क्या चाहिए, DNA सीक्वेंसिंग चाहिए. तो DNA सीक्वेंसिंग कैसे चाहिए, एक्सैक्ट सीक्वेंसिंग में होना चाहिए, आप लोगों को अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना चाहिए. So in this DNA sequence क्या करना है, in this DNA sequence is having the 4 nitrogen base pairs. So those are the nitrogen base pairs is using to this F.C. Crick. Keep it in your mind. The first DNA fragments to be sequenced belongs to the small virus. So first DNA sequencing को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए क्या यूज किया ना, स्मॉल वायरस यूज किया. आफ्टर वो स्मॉल वायरस क्या करना ना, T4 phase बैक्टीरिया वायरस यूज किया डीएनए सीक्वेंसिंग करने के लिए. आफ्टर क्या करना ना, स्पेसिफिकली क्या कर रहे हैं ना, वो लोग डीएनए सीक्वेंसिंग करने के लिए ई कोलिन बैक्टीरिया यूज किया. ई कोलिन Escherichia coli बैक्टीरिया यूज किया. सो Escherichia coli बैक्टीरिया यूज करके क्या करना, डीएनए सीक्वेंसिंग एग्जैक्ट सीक्वेंसिंग आइडेंटिफाई किया. सो here the DNA sequencing मतलब क्या करना, वो नाइट्रोजन बेस पर से कोई नाइट्रोजन बेस पर चेंजिंग हो गई तो क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ पर डीएनए सीक्वेंसिंग ठीक नहीं होता है. इसलिए क्या करना है, एग्जैक्ट ऑर्डर में वो सीक्वेंस होना चाहिए. सो ऑर्डर में हो गए तो क्या करना, वो डीएनए क्या करना, एग्जैक्ट डीएनए क्या कर रहे हैं ना, और लॉन्ग लेंथ होता है. नहीं तो क्या करना, वो लॉन्ग लेंथ नहीं, वो स्टॉप होता है, वो डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल आप लोग को आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए. And the next one, my dear students, we are observing to this DNA sequencing. Here the DNA sequencing is sequenced by the using of some of the methods, main methods. That I will discuss to the some of the methods, my dear students.